In a world filled with aircraft, there is a museum. A museum doing what few others are brave enough to do. A museum answering the questions we are all asking. Questions like, how do aircraft fly? Questions like, is artificial intelligence taking over the world? Why don't pilots die? How was the RAF involved in the world wars? Has the RAF always been diverse? Could you design the strongest aircraft structure ever made? Find out this autumn, only at the RAF Museum, London.